Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to update Fitbit firmware. So to get started with the guide. So in step 1, you have to prepare your device. So ensure your Fitbit device is charged at least 50%. Then keep your device close to your smartphone or tablet with Bluetooth enabled. On step 2, you have to open the Fitbit app. So launch the Fitbit app on your smartphone or tablet. Then tap the Day tab. Tap the Today tab. Then on step 3, you have to access your device settings. So tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then select your Fitbit device from the list. Then on step 4, you have to check for firmware update. So if a firmware update is available, you will see a pink update button. Then tap update and follow the on-screen instruction. Then on step 5, you have to complete the update. So keep your device close to your phone and tap or tablets during the update. So a progress bar will appear on your device and in the app. So wait for the updates to complete, and this may take several minutes. And that's how you can simply update your Fitbit firmware. So that's it.